What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, yeah. All right, we're gonna do this. I don't even know. This is my first time. I'm gonna try to do this YouTube, social media, talk to people through a screen, looking at a dot, which makes no sense. I'm trying to make a video to reach people, send a message about my book and some apps and some stuff we got going on. But I want to. I'm giving away a free copy of my ebook to anybody that downloads our app for the Southeast Athletic Conference. And what I want to do is just read from my book. I don't even know how I'm going to do it. I got 70 tips. I was thinking about doing a series or a special or something, like reading one a day, but that's 70 of them. That's too much. Let's do some math. Let's not do no math. I need a calculator and pen and paper. No, I'll tell you what. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna download the book real quick and just download it. And let me find. What I'm gonna do is read my favorite out of all of the 70 tips. I'm gonna read my favorite one to you, and we'll just start that off like that, and then we'll just pick up. If somebody likes it and shares it and says, "Hey, you should read more. Do this again," I'll do it again. If I get the same response I usually get with just nothing, I just won't do nothing. I might read another one. But my favorite one is number 12. It's called The Power of Intensity. You can do all things or anything in 10 minutes, right? Whenever you're feeling tired, beaten, worn out, or facing an unpleasant task, commit to working intensely for just another 10 minutes. Usually by the time the 10 minutes are up, you will find a new solution or something else that will inspire you to keep going. Pushing yourself to get started can give you the momentum to push past obstacles. I'm going to read that again. Pushing yourself to get started can give you the momentum to push past any obstacle.